friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making scrambled eggs in the air fryer. For this easy scrambled eggs recipe, we just need eggs, seasonings, I'll use salt and pepper, and milk. So first I'm going to prepare this little frying pan. We need a frying pan that fits inside the air fryer basket, so I'll just spray it with a non-stick cooking spray. As an alternative to cooking spray, you can also brush the inside of that pan with vegetable oil or melted butter. So I'm just going to put this pan in the air fryer basket, and once I prepare the eggs, I'll pour it in the pan. So now I'm going to crack 2 eggs in a bowl. And I'm going to sprinkle it with salt and pepper. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of milk. And now let's whisk the eggs. And now I will pour it in a pan that fits inside the air fryer basket. And let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, I will mix the eggs. And now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the eggs. See how they're starting to cook? So now I'm just going to break them up and scramble them. And let's put it back in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and set the time to 2 minutes. And now it's done cooking again, so let's take out the basket and mix the scrambled eggs again. And now put the basket back in the air fryer. And let's set the temperature to 375 degrees, and let's set the time to 1 minute. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the scrambled eggs. They're ready. They look so good. Now you can mix them again so they look truly scrambled. They're perfect, so moist and fluffy. And now let's take out the scrambled eggs from the air fryer and put them on a plate. scrambled eggs look amazing. I'm so excited about trying them. Now let's try it. So tender. Look at that. They look so moist. Tastes super tender. Tastes as good as it looks. You're going to love making scrambled eggs on your air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!